it's me, Ariana, and welcome back to my channel, The Art of Everything. So, I just got this Blendjet, and I would like to open it with you because I've literally been wanting this for so long, and this is just going to be so much fun. So, I'm going to start by just cutting this tape off here so you can see it better, and then I'm gonna try to open this. Oh wow, this is, oh there we go. Oh, I see it. Oh my gosh. And then, now this is just so close. I'm gonna take this. Oh wow. I love this. It's so rainbow. Okay, I'm just gonna unscrew the top. And then there's this. Okay. So I saw that. And then here are the directions. Charge your Blendjet with the USB cable for 1 hour until you see a solid blue circle, okay? I am not going to be making any smoothies right now, but maybe if you want, I can make a smoothie. Yeah. So step 2 says, ensure the arrows on the back of the jar and base are closely aligned. Power button with flash white. 3. Clean your Blendjet by blending water with a drop of soap, then deep rinse. Clean your Blendjet by water. Add liquid first and throw in your solids. Leave a little room at the top. Tighten the lid and press the power button to blend for 1 20-second cycle. Repeat as needed for thicker blends. Enjoy your blended creation and clean immediately after use. Okay, so I know this video wasn't long, but I didn't mean for it to be long because I was just showing you this, and I might do a video on making a smoothie from this. Okay, bye. See you next time.